It is time to play a game. We're going to start the class game. To revise, you remember that we have to with present perfect, we have has and the participle. Okay, the participle to be from the list, or is going to finish in ed. Okay, so for example, in this scene, animals on your camping, question is going to be with have, the subject. In this case, seen. Regular. It's not going to be regular. If it's regular, remember that it's going with ed. For example, invite, invited. Okay, so let's start with the game. And this game is going to be about different questions. In this first question, we have a first question to comment. Have you fed elephants on your trip? As you can see, you have you fed. Fed is the participle of feed, which is, what is that? Alimentar. Okay, so question number 1. How many years does an elephant live for? You have 3 options and you have to decide which option is going to be. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 minutes and you decide the option that is going to be. Ready? Okay, the correct option is 70 years. Okay. Next question. In this case, we have you seen baboons on your trip? We follow the same structure. Have you seen? What is the infinitive of see? It's going to be see. S-E-E. See. Okay? And have you seen baboons on your trip? Yes, no? What do you think? No? It's complicated. Okay, and the second question is, what color is a baby baboon for the first 2 months? You have gray, brown, black. Come on, 5 seconds. Decide your option. And the correct option is black. Okay, they are black. Next one. Okay, in this case, as you can see, the question is going to be with has. Why? Because the subject is not going to be you or they. It's going to be your mother, and your mother is third person. So we're going to use has. Has your mother given Camus water on your trip? Given, what is the infinitive? Give, dar, give. G-I-V-E. Third question is, how many months can a camel live without water? 3 options. Come on, 5 seconds. What do you think? 10 months, 3 months, 19 months? Okay, so the answer is 10 months. Great. And next question. Come on, let's go. In this case, it's the same. We have third person here. We have your brother. Your brother is with has, not with have. Has your brother or sister run like a team on your trip? If you remember, the participle of run is going to be this. Okay, it's the same. And the next question is going to be, what is the maximum speed a cheetah can run? What do you think? T kilometers per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, or 145 kilometers per hour? Come on, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1 kilometers per hour is the right answer. Next question. And the next question is third person or not third person, because it's you. So we use have. Have you discovered a horned rhino on your trip? Discovered is regular or irregular? In this case, is regular because we use ed. We are not going to use the list of participles. Okay? So the question is, what is a rhino's horn made out of? And we have three options. Come on. The first one here, like fibers. It's with the hair. It's made up with the hair. A bone or metal? What do you think? I think that, yes? Okay, this one, it's fine. Good job. And next question. Have your parents been in the water with flamingos in your trip? With is not like that, okay? It's TH. Have your parents is going to be they. Have they been or have your parents been? Been is going to be the participle of the verb to be. Okay? So what do you think? Have your parents been in the water with flamingos in your trip or on a trip? Yes, no, it's difficult, no? But maybe they have seen the flamingos, no? Or you. So what color are flamingos' feathers when they are born? The feathers, remember that they are the plumas, okay? Remember that. So come on, 5 seconds. And the answer is pink? No, gray. The feathers are gray. And, okay, have you seen tortoise eggs on your trip? Have you seen? See, we have studied before. The infinitive is S-E-E without the N. How many eggs does a giant tortoise lay? How many eggs? So come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is too many. They are too many. Between 9 and 25 eggs. Great job. Great job. And okay, one more. And I think that is the last one. Have your cousin, who is your cousin? Could be a girl or a boy, no? Primo or prima. Have your cousin swim with seals on a tree? Okay, this is the participle of swim. And this is irregular, as you can see. The largest species of true seals are massive, weighing up to 900 kilograms, 3,855 kilograms, or 70 kilograms. Come on, your answer. What do you think? 3, 2, 1. 900? No, it's this one. Okay, and now if you have, we're going to have a look at the results. If you have from 0 to 4 correct answers, you are not a very good player, sorry. If you have from 5 to 7 correct answers, you are a good player. And if you have 8 correct answers, you are a very good player. Okay, if this is your case, this is in Spanish, siéntete como genio, okay? And if you are here, confíes. And the other one, deberías aplicarte más. Okay? You have to study a little bit more. Okay? So, okay, thank you for your attention, and we continue with the classroom. Bye. See you.